Hi guys, in this short tutorial, I will be showing you the easiest way to install Terraform on your Mac OS. So first thing first, I want to make sure that I don't have Terraform on my machine. So I already launched my terminal and I will type in Terraform just to make sure I don't have it. And as you can see, the command is not found. Now, how do you get Terraform on your machine? It's quite very easy. I already have my Google opened. I need to type in Homebrew. Then I click on the link. Then I'll copy it. Don't copy this way because you might not copy the whole thing. So use the clipboard there and just click on it and it will be copied to your clipboard. Go back to your terminal and just paste it. Enter it, or if you have another keyboard configuration, you can press return on your keyboard and it will install Homebrew for you. I already have mine installed, so I'm not going to do it again. So for you to know that I already have it installed, I'll just do this, brew space help. And as you can see, I already have that installed. Now, if you're installing Homebrew for the first time, right, it might take 2 to 5 minutes. So be patient with it and let it do its thing, okay? Now, let me clear my screen because I don't like to have a lot of stuff on my screen. Now, how do we now get Terraform on my machine? Now, let's assume that Homebrew is already installed on your machine. Please wait. It's very vital for you to make sure that Homebrew is already installed on your machine before you go through this step. Now, we need to go back to the Homebrew website again. And we type in Terraform. Click on it. And we need to copy this. Copy this command line as well. Don't copy it this way, always copy it this way. Okay, and go back to your terminal. Okay, and let's check one more time. We don't have Terraform, right? So let's paste what we just copied and press enter or return and just wait. Now, it looks like it's done, right? For you to verify if this is done, just type in Terraform and press enter or return. Now, as you can see, the installation was successful. So that means Terraform is installed on our computer. One more thing though, let's check the version. Okay. Terraform space-v, that's how to check the version. And as you can see, we have 1.3.9. So this is the easiest and the coolest way of installing Terraform on your Mac OS. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the other side for the next short video. Bye.